the sound of the bamboo grove. Countryside town in Japan. Moral: patience and inner stillness reveal life's true answers. In a quiet village, nestled between misty hills and a bamboo forest, lived a young man named Haruki. He was clever, full of questions, and always in a hurry. He studied under Master Saito, an old gardener who barely spoke but seemed to know everything: when the rains would come, which plant would bloom, and even when someone was sad just by the way they walked. "Teach me your wisdom," Haruki often begged. Master Saito only smiled. "You must first learn to listen." Each day, Haruki asked more questions. "What's the secret to peace? How can I make the right choices? When will I understand the world?" But Master Saito would just hand him a rake or ask him to water the moss. "This isn't wisdom," Haruki muttered one day. "It's yard work." One morning, Master Saito finally spoke. "If you want answers, go sit in the bamboo grove at dawn. Sit until you understand." Haruki lit up. "Will something magical happen?" "Something always does," the old man said, walking away. Haruki woke early and walked to the grove. The air was cool. The bamboo stalk swayed gently. He sat. At first, his mind buzzed. What was he supposed to hear? Was this a trick? Minutes dragged into an hour. Birds chirped. Leaves fluttered. Wind whistled softly through the bamboo. Still, no answers. But as he stayed, his thoughts began to quiet. He noticed the rhythm of his breath, the harmony of the wind and leaves, the peace and simply being. Time passed, and with it, his impatience. Hours later, Haruki returned to the garden. Master Saito was pruning a bonsai tree. "Did you find your answer?" he asked. Haruki smiled. "Not the way I thought I would." "And?" "I think sometimes you stop asking questions, and that's when you understand." Master Saito nodded. "Now you've begun to listen." Moral of the story: in stillness, we discover what noise hides. Wisdom often whispers, not shouts.